Hey, welcome back. On this post, I'll be telling you about Yearn Finance, YFIUSD, see what has changed since my yesterday's post. I'll be sharing with you my today's bullish and bearish case scenarios, as well as the short-term price prediction according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Today is December 7th, Monday, and if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're now giving away 4 free stocks instead of 3 upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please do also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. I am purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I will get to them a lot faster that way. Now, let me do a quick rundown of what's going on in the markets, because that could affect how altcoins are being traded. So, I do have Bitcoin dominance, which I emphasize almost every time, because it tells me where the money is trending into or out of, whether it be Bitcoin, altcoins, or neither. We do have Bitcoin dominance still at about 63.6%. I did mention this in more detail in my Ethereum post earlier today. If you guys want to take a look in that in more detail, you guys can take a look at my post on Ethereum today. However, we do have Bitcoin dominance now still at the crossroads, okay? Immediate support would be the 3-day 21 simple moving average. Immediate resistance would be the daily and weekly 50 simple moving average. Depending on which one breaks, that could affect how I trade altcoins. Because if Bitcoin dominance actually trends down, I could expect better trading opportunities for altcoins than as if it was trending upwards. Okay? But what I'm also taking into consideration heavily is Bitcoin price action, because that is the main factor. If Bitcoin price action pulls back, I could expect altcoins to actually pull back as well in a very likely scenario, just like what we have seen for 2 weeks ago. Now, let's take a look into Yearn Finance and see what exactly has gone on since yesterday. Since yesterday, I did mention my bullish and bearish case scenario, which we are going to talk about right now. On the 3-day time frame, I did mention that on the bearish case scenario is that we don't actually see a significant higher high and close above 30K on this 3-day candle. Yesterday, we had a day left on the 3-day candle, so I was not too worried. However, now we only have a little under 2 hours, and we still have not made that move yet. So this bearish divergence is still not being avoided just yet, and we have a little under 2 hours left. If it actually does close this way, I'll be a lot more cautious, because bearish divergence, more often than not, could signal a pullback. Now let's take a look into the daily time frame and see what exactly is going on, and see what type of behavior are we seeing on the daily time frame in terms of the candles. On the daily time frame, I am seeing quite a bit of a bounce here from about 27K, and it's almost going to end up in a doji or even a bullish candle. Okay, that is going to close within a little under 2 hours as well. So I think it's pretty important to also pay attention to this as well. But 3-day candle, as I have mentioned yesterday, is going to be pretty important, because I don't want a signal on the pullback of the current price action. Now let's take a look into the smaller time frames and see what exactly is holding up the price action as supports. Okay, so since yesterday, it did take another attempt to actually get back above 30K, but price action did get rejected at about 29K, and now we're all the way back down to some of these moving averages on the hourly. On the 4-hour, the 21 and 50 are still acting as supports. The immediate resistance is the 6-hour. 21 simple moving average right here, the blue line. So getting above that and getting a close above that would change my opinion a little bit on the likelihood of breaking above 30K again, since that is immediate resistance. If that does not hold, the next level of support I'm looking at would be about the 12-hour 21 simple moving average, the blue line right here, still at about 27K. Okay, if that does not hold, we still do have quite a bit of moving averages that could act as support. But the main level I'll be looking at would be about the 25K range, which is the 0.5 fib level there. That's the major support where I could expect a bounce. Okay, just gonna take it level by level and see which level the price action actually bounces off. So, acknowledging what's going on right now, and this is my opinion of the market, let's take a look into my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today. My bullish case scenario will still be for the 3-day time frame to actually close above this 30K level, either within this candle or the next one. Okay, if this one, this 3-day candle, which closes about now a little over an hour and 30 minutes now, if it does not close and we get bearish divergence here, possible pullback could be coming. Okay, I'll be more cautious then, but I do see quite a bit of bullish action with a lot of the altcoins and the market. So, including Ethereum, I have seen quite a bit of bearish divergence, and on the bull market, it may matter less, but that is not a good reason for me to get rid of any risk management plan that could be in place and have stops ready just in case the price action does collapse. But I am still looking for a close above 30K. I think that would be a very good support to actually establish a 3-day candle above on, since it has not established a candle on the 3-day time frame on this reversal cycle yet. Now, the bearish case scenario will still be on the 3-day time frame. My focus is still on the 3-day time frame. If we actually don't get a close above 30K here and bearish divergence actually plays out, I could expect price action to range within this 25 to 30K level for a little bit, but this 25K strong support has to hold. Okay, so this is my very short update on Yearn Finance, YFIUSD. Let me know if you guys found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I would love to hear them. I hope you guys manage your risk carefully. And if you guys would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. I'll see you next time.